Hello everyone, welcome back to our Smoke Code YouTube channel. In this video, we will create our project Bluetooth controlled 7 segment display. These displays are great for showcasing numerical information in a simple and effective way. Name your project. Create project. Take a Bluetooth receive node. Double tap on it. Hit on its pencil icon. Device name my Bluetooth and SPP server name. Add. Here you can see the output is a received data. We have to compare the received data with a digit 1. So for that we will use a compare node, string compare. Connect the flow. The output of the BT received data is compared to the string 2 and the output will be a result. For displaying digit 1, we have to set pin high and low. Our 7 segment display is having 7 inputs. Firstly, the pin number 2 is set to at 0. Firstly, connect the flow. First, copy paste. Then you can change the pin number. As it is a 7 segment display, it will have 7 pins. Pin number 2 is set at pin level 0. It means low. And pin number 4 level is 0. Pin number 5 level is high. And for pin number 15 the level is high. And all the other pins are set to 0. On Bluetooth receive, if the receive data is equals to 1, then it will display the digit 1, or if it is not equal to 1, so we will be using the else condition. Here the else condition is connected for here. Compare the received data with the string 2, the digit is 2 and the output is result. If condition, like the flow, result. If the received data is not equals to 1, then it will check the else conditions in this way. You can copy paste. For displaying 2, you have to change the LED pins accordingly. We are done with the digit 2. Copy paste the whole flow. For digit 3, just have to change the string 2. Connect the else condition. Connect the else conditions. Now set the pin level for LED. For displaying the digit 3, pin number 2 is set at 1, pin 4 is set at 0, and pin 5, the level is 1. For displaying the digit 8, all the pins will be set at level high. For displaying 9, all the digits will be set at level high except the pin number 14. Hit the upload button. It's successfully uploaded. Now let us check the output.